What is up, Prestige fam? It's going to be a little different this time around. For this week, we are actually at the White Label Expo in Las Vegas. So as you can see, we got Paris right there, but a little different. If you guys don't know what the White Label Expo is, it's my first time here, but it's primarily a lot of like CBD and hemp businesses coming together, and they have a bunch of different booths. I'm not personally in CBD, but there's also huge speakers from big e-commerce companies like Jared Goads, Jungle Scout, Helium 10, a bunch of big speakers. So for this video, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me, possibly a little vlogging style, a little different for the Prestige fam, but hopefully you guys find this helpful, and maybe you guys can visit this in the future if you're not already here this weekend. But yeah, let's go.
So to do that, let's put ourselves in the shoes of the retail consumers on Amazon. And a lot's changed with online behavior, especially in the past 5 years. The shopping behavior is a study that shows now about 2/3 or 3/4 of searches for products online now start on Amazon. So this is where consumers are going when they're starting their product.
I want you to focus, I want you to think about your questions so that we can make this a really great value exchange. And I will happily email you a PDF of all the slides afterwards. Cool? Okay. And Ryan asked,